Is your Windows operating system reporting the DLNA-Shell library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we get started with DLNA-Shell library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the DLNA-Shell library, the DLNA Shell Extension library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of digital media sharing within Windows Explorer. It facilitates the data link between the shell and DLNA-certified device manifests on the network. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Dlnashext belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scannow from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including DLNA-Shell library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type Regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Warning: DLNA-Shell library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If registry clutter or DLNA-Shell library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing DLNA-Shell library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.